working on an '05 GMC Sierra, and it's got a 5.3 liter V8, and today we'll be changing one of the transmission lines. So at the moment I was also replacing the water pump, and I have the pump completely off right now, and it'll be on a separate video. I'm going to post that link up there for you once it's posted. Not really sure if you can see how rusty this line down here is, but this has got to get replaced, and since I got lots of room in between here, I'm going to start on that right now. So I'm replacing the transmission line that comes from the top of the rad, and then it goes down in between here to the tranny cooler. And in order to get at that, I'm going to have to pull all these clips out and pull this cover off. Uh-oh. Okay. So here's the top end of the transmission line that I'm replacing. I'm going to try very hard not to get in your way here. And just pull that plastic off of there. And somewhere in behind here there's supposed to be a clip that pops out. And you don't want to lose that clip, because I'm not sure about any other kit, but this one here actually doesn't come with an extra clip. And no sooner did I get the camera shut off, and I just pushed upward on this clip and it actually came out. Wow. I was trying to pry on that little part, and as soon as I hooked it up underneath here, it popped right out. So now you should be able to just pull that line straight out. There it is. And I got a drain pan underneath there to catch all this. This here is the line that I took off at the top, and it goes all the way down there. And if you can take a look right there, this is the problem spot right here. It's all starting to corrode, and you can see how wet it is all the way around it. And from the bottom, this is where it's leaking right there. And then it comes out over here, and it's this one on the right here. I can't really get at that line in there at all, so I'm going to pull the grill out. And in this truck's case, we have 1 bolt here and 4 plastic ties. Normally it would be 1 bolt here and 4 bolts here. This truck's been in a smuck up, and for whatever reason the replacement grill didn't match up with the bolts over here, with the bolt holes. So this was the solution. And now on the corners here, should be just a clip that holds it in there. Easy peasy. Especially when this is all you got holding it together. Well, mostly. Okay, now we can get right at this here like we need to. Much better. And I've already got the plastic clip pulled off of this one. And it looks like this one goes from this side over here. Yeah. Just push that little clip out and hang on to that baby. And that should come right out. And did I mention I had a pan underneath there? Well, I do. So there shouldn't be anything left holding it there now. So it's out. Now I'm just going to go match it up with the new one. So I got the two lines right here, and they are identical. That's just perfect. And something that I like to do is always make sure that I cap the ends until I get everything in place. Keeps them clean. Okay, I've got the transmission line fed through where it belongs, and get my cap off of there. I'll slide that up in there. Okay, so I'm going to put this clip back in. And that should be nice and snug in there. Get that right back up there to hold the clip in place. Snap this back into this bracket down here. Okay, so this is being a little stubborn here. Can't seem to get that clip back into place. Push it open with the screwdriver a little bit. And it's back in place where it belongs. Alright, I'll take the plug out of this end. Slide that in. Being a little stubborn. There we go. Now it's in. And the cap goes over top. And should be all good. So, to finish off this job, need to hook these clips back in where they were. And I probably should have tested the transmission line before I put all this together, but I'm running short on time and I'm hoping for the best here, hoping that there won't be any leaks. It's got to be all good. So, I'm gonna just get this top piece back in. After this is in, and we just need to run the engine. So I just had the truck running to fill up the coolant from the water pump replacement, and now you should take it for a drive and make sure you run it through every gear, and after the engine is warm, come back and check the transmission fluid, make sure it's still topped up. I didn't see a whole lot getting lost here, so chances are it's probably still pretty full. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you did like the video. Thank you.